Welcome to this guide on continuous integration versus continuous deployment. In the world of DevOps and modern software engineering, you will hear the terms CI and CD used constantly. While they are often mentioned together as a single concept, they represent distinct phases in the automation pipeline. Today, we are going to break down exactly what each term means and how they differ. To understand why CI and CD are important, we first need to look at the old way of doing things. Traditionally, software delivery was a slow, manual process. Developers would work for weeks or months, merge everything at once, and hope it worked. This led to massive bugs and infrequent updates. The modern way, using a pipeline, allows for fast, automated, and consistent releases. Let's start with CI, or continuous integration. This is the practice where developers frequently merge their code changes into a central repository, often multiple times a day. But it's not just about saving files. The key is that every merge automatically triggers a build and a set of tests. This ensures that new code doesn't break the existing application. Moving to the next stage, we have continuous delivery. This is an extension of continuous integration. In this phase, not only is the code built and tested, but it is also automatically prepared for release to a staging environment. The crucial detail here is that the final push to production still requires a human to click a button. It is automated up to the point of deployment. Now, let's look at continuous deployment. This is the ultimate goal of automation for many teams. In this workflow, there is no human gatekeeper. Any change that passes the automated tests is immediately and automatically deployed to the production environment live to users. This allows for extremely rapid feedback loops. Here is a direct comparison to make it clear. Both delivery and deployment include automated building and testing. The main difference lies in the production release. Continuous delivery waits for a manual approval, whereas continuous deployment is fully automated. This means deployment frequency shifts from days or weeks to mere minutes. Visualizing the pipeline helps distinguish the boundaries. Continuous integration covers the build and unit test phases. Continuous delivery takes it further to integration tests and staging, but stops before production. Continuous deployment goes the full distance, connecting every step from code commit to live production without interruption. Why do companies invest in this? First, it dramatically speeds up time to market. Second, automated testing improves code quality by catching bugs early. Third, it reduces risk because you are releasing small changes rather than massive updates. And finally, it improves developer happiness by removing boring, repetitive manual tasks. There's a vast ecosystem of tools that power these pipelines. Jenkins is the classic open-source automation server. GitLab CI and GitHub Actions are popular modern choices that integrate directly with your code repositories. CircleCI and Azure DevOps are also widely used platforms that provide robust cloud-based pipeline solutions. To wrap things up, remember these 3 points. CI is about merging and testing code. Continuous delivery is about ensuring that code is always ready to be released, and continuous deployment is the practice of actually releasing that code automatically. Mastering these concepts is fundamental to a successful career in DevOps.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.